Hello children. So today in this video we're gonna do some fun things. Today we're not gonna do the writing on board or do a boring class. We will do some activities. Okay. So we will solve puzzles. Puzzles means these are called puzzles. Have you ever seen a puzzle? You have to join with the correct one. If you join with the wrong one, it won't join, right? It won't join. So you have to match it with the correct one, right? So let me show you how it is done. You will get a lot of puzzles, okay? Like this. Here are a lot of puzzles. You can see so many puzzles are here. So in this puzzle, what you have to do, you have to arrange them. Now, how will you arrange? Suppose here is a flower. Now, here is a pen. Is there any link with a flower and a pen? No, right? Pen is for writing, flower is a flower, a beautiful flower. So, let's see next. We have vase. We can keep flower in a vase. So, this is a match. This is a match. So, we keep flower in a vase, right? So, this is a match. So, this is done, okay? Flower vase. So, flower in a vase, okay? This is a vase. And over here, flowers are kept, right? So, flower in a vase, okay? Like that. So, this is how it is done. There is a relation of flower with a vase. We keep flower in a vase, right? So, this goes with this. So, the puzzle is solved now. Okay. Now, next we have ink. Next we have ink. Where do we need ink? Where do we need ink? We need ink in a pen, right? We need ink in a pen. So, when the pen ink is over, we put ink in the pen to refill it, right? So, ink with pen. Ink with pen. Okay? So, suppose you're writing with a pen. You don't write with a pen now because you're small, right? And you do mistakes. So you write with a pencil. But when you will grow up, you will use a pen. And when the pink pen ink is over, ink, you put ink in that pen to refill it again. Suppose this is a marker, okay? This marker stops writing. So what we have to do, you have to put ink in this marker, right? This is a marker. This is writing because it has ink in it. Okay? So, pen with ink. Okay? So, flower with vase, you see vase, flower with vase and pen with ink. Next we have We have cup, right? Now, when some guests come in your house, you give them tea and you serve them tea with some biscuits, right? So you don't give biscuits in their hand like take this biscuit. You serve a plate with a cup, and that plate is not a plate. That is a small plate type thing, but it is not called plate. It is called saucer. It is called saucer. So cup and saucer. Okay, cup and saucer. This is called saucer. The cup is kept over this saucer. Okay. This is how it is done. The saucer and the cup is kept over. So this is and here are some biscuits. Here are some biscuits. So this is how you serve tea to your guests, right? So cup, saucer, cup, saucer, cup, saucer. Okay. Next we have kite. Kite. We have kite. You see kite? Kite that flies in the sky. That kite. So to make it fly, okay, to send it into the sky, what do we need? We need thread, right? We need thread, right? So kite needs a spool, that is লাঠি যেখানে সুতো দিয়ে বাঁধা থাকে, right? So that is a spool. Kite needs spool. This. Okay. Next is shoes. Shoes. When you come to school, you wear shoes, right? And you don't wear shoes with your bare foot. You wear something in your foot, then you wear shoes, right? What do you wear? You wear a sock. You wear socks. Then you wear shoes. So socks with shoes, right? This. Socks with shoes. Socks with shoes. Next we have TV. TV. We all watch TV. You also watch TV. So what do you need to watch TV? To watch TV, you need a remote. Yes, you need a remote. So TV with remote. TV means television. Television with remote control. Okay. Okay. Next we have lock. To open a lock, what do you need? You need a key, or to lock a lock, you need a key, right? To open it or to lock it. For the both kind, you need a key. So lock, key, lock and key. Without key, you can't open a lock. Without key, you can't lock a lock. Okay. Next, table. 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 With table, you have. With table, what do you need? You need sharpener. With table, you need sharpener. No. When you have a table, you need a chair. So table and chair, right? So table and chair. Table and chair. Okay. Next we have pencil. We have pencil. So to sharpen the pencil, what do you need? To sharpen a pencil, what do you need? You need a sharpener. So pencil, sharpener. Okay? Clear? Pencil, sharpener. Next we have toothpaste and a toothbrush. Okay? So when you wake up in the morning, you brush your teeth. For that, you need a brush and a toothpaste. So toothpaste with toothbrush. If you have a brush and you don't have toothpaste, you can't brush your teeth. Or if you have toothpaste and don't have a brush, you also can't brush your teeth. So you need both, a toothbrush and a toothpaste. This. Toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay? So clear? Now, let's see. I have shown you everything, what goes with what. Now it's your turn to tell me what's with what. Okay? So from the beginning, we have 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 puzzles. Okay? 10 puzzles. You have to solve this 10 puzzles. Okay? So these are the 10 puzzles. These are the 10 puzzles. Okay? I will randomize it and you have to answer it. Okay? As you can see, I have randomized it over here. Okay? Now it's time to separate these puzzles in my left hand and these puzzles in my right hand. Okay? So let's do that real quick. Okay, so now we have these puzzles over here. So the first puzzle we have in our hand is ink. So this is ink. So what's with ink? What's with ink? When we need ink? We need ink only if we have a pen, right? Because in pencils we don't need to refill pencils, right, with ink. Okay, and if we use a marker, we need ink to refill it, to make it right again if it's over, right? So ink with pen. Ink with pen. So this goes with these, right? Okay. Next, saucer. Okay, saucer. So what I said, saucer means a plate type thing which is small and it is kept on a cup, right? So sauce and shoes. Sauce and shoes. Is this a match? No, there is no connection with a shoes and a saucer. So this is wrong. Kite. No, we don't need saucer for flying a kite, right? So that is also wrong. Sharpener. What will we do with a sharpener and a saucer? So that is also wrong. Chair. No, we don't need a chair and a saucer. What we will do with chair and a saucer? Lock. A lock needs a key, right? So this is not a match also. TV, no. Cup, yes, cup. So cup and saucer. Okay, cup and saucer. Cup and saucer. So clear? You can see here cup and saucer. So this is a match again. Next we have remote. You all know this answer, right? Remote. With remote, what do? We watch TV, right? So remote goes with TV, television. So remote and television. Here, look closely, have a close look. This is remote and television. Okay. Key. Key. So this is a key. What do we do with key? We unlock the lock, right? So key and lock. Key and lock. Key and lock. Lock and key and lock, same thing. Next we have table. Next we have table. What do we need with a table? We need a sharpener. No. We need a kite. No. We need a chair. Yes, we need a chair with a table. Okay. So chair, table. Next is pencil. You all use pencil, you write with a pencil, and if the pencil lead means this is broken, what do you need? You need a vase to keep the pencil inside a vase. No, vase is for flower. We keep flower in a vase, right? So this is wrong. Kite. What do you do with a kite and a pencil? This is not a match. So this is also wrong. Toothpaste? No, also not toothpaste. Shoes. What do you do with a shoe and a pencil? So this is not a match. At last we have sharpener. Yes, this can be a match because we need pencil and sharpener for sharpening the pencil, right? So pencil and sharpener. Pencil and sharpener. Okay. Next we have socks. Next we have socks. So you wear socks, right? And go to school with socks only, or you wear something after socks and then you go to school. So what do you wear? After wearing socks, you wear shoes. So socks and shoes. Okay. Next we have a toothpaste. A toothpaste. See, as you can see here, this is a toothpaste. We need toothpaste for brushing our teeth. What else we need with it? We need flour. You brush your teeth with flour and toothpaste. No, right? So, what do we need? We need a toothbrush. Yes, toothbrush. You put this toothpaste in the brush and then brush your teeth. Okay? So this is toothbrush and toothpaste. Okay? Next we have with us is flower. You can see the board what goes with flower, right? So this is called a vase. Okay? So is this a vase? No, right? This is a kite. Is this a vase? No, this is a stool. So this is a vase? Yes, this is a vase. So flower. Okay. So you understood what's with what, right? Now we will see. You don't have this puzzle at your home. So what you will do is draw a box like this. Okay? Draw a box like this and do this. Okay, so this became a puzzle and this both puzzle are matching, right? So here you will draw a flower and another flower, and here you will draw a vase. So, and below you will write flower and here vase. So this is how you will do the puzzle. Okay? This is how you will do the puzzles at home. Okay? This will also be your homework. Okay? Next, you saw socks with shoes. Socks with shoes. So you will draw socks and then shoes. Okay? So socks. These are socks. SOCKS. Socks with shoes. And here you have to draw shoes, right? Shoes. So here you have shoes. Socks with shoes. Here you will write shoes. SHOES. Shoes, okay? Socks with shoes, okay? So this is how you will do the puzzles, okay? Now we will do some rhymes, okay, before ending this class, okay? We will do some rhymes. The book is musical rhymes. So musical rhymes means we have to sing with it. So I will do this rhyme today. Just me. Okay? So let's start this rhyme. 8 pink fingers standing up tall. So tall fingers are these. These are tall fingers, right? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are there? 8. So 8 pink fingers standing up tall. 2 little ears. Ear means these are our ears, right? 2 little ears to hear mommy call. When your mom calls you or when your mama calls you, you hear your mama's call. So 2 little ear to hear mommy's call. 1 little nose, 1 little nose. This is our nose. That I can blow. Blow means this is called blow. Okay? And 10 pink toes. Toes are in our feet, right? Toes are in our feet. So feet is our leg, right? Feet is our leg. So there are how many fingers are there? 10. 10 pink toes all in a row. Row means this. This is called row. This is called row. And this is called column. Okay? And this is called row. This thing is called row. Okay? So 10 little toes, 10 pink toes. All in a row, right? So let's see how our 10 pink toes are all in a row. Let me draw toe. Or toes, let me draw toes. So this is your toe, right? So how many are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These are your toenails. One, two, three, four, five. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So total 10 toes. 10 pink toes all in a row. So these fingers in your foot is called toes. So 10 little toes all in a row, right? So 10 pink toes all in a row. 2 little thumbs, these are called thumbs. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down, up and down, up and down, up and down. 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down, right? 2 little feet to stamp. These are your feet. You stamp your feet when you walk, right? So 2 little feet to stamp on the ground. Where you stamp? On the ground, right? On the floor. On the floor you stamp your feet. You walk. So 2 little feet to stamp on the ground. Hands to clap. Hands. These are our hands to clap. This is called clapping. So this is called clapping. So when there is a happy birthday, you clap, happy birthday to you. So you clap your hands. So 2 little hands, hands to clap, and eyes to see. I have eyes to see, eyes to see. What fun it is, fun it is to be just me. Okay, so let's rhyme this. 8 pink fingers standing up tall, 2 little ears to hear mommy call, 1 little nose that I can blow, 10 pink toes all in a row, 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down, 2 little feet that stamp on the ground. So you stamp your feet on your ground. So where it is, two little feet to stamp on the ground, hands to clap, and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me. Okay, again. 8 pink fingers standing up tall, 2 little ears to hear mommy call, 1 little nose that I can blow, 10 pink toes all in a row, 2 little thumbs that wiggle up and down, 2 little feet to stamp on the ground, hands to clap and eyes to see. What fun it is to be just me. To be just me. Okay? So that was the poem Just Me. So hope you enjoyed this class. It's my time to go now. So bye bye. See you in the next class.